A river does not flow backwards to gather its scattered water. So, do not chase what has already left your life. The sun rises for both the hunter and the farmer, but it is the effort that brings the harvest. The journey of life may be long, but even the slowest step moves forward. A tree does not grow tall by shaming the grass below it. Greatness is achieved in harmony, not pride. A bird does not sing because it has an answer, but because it has a song to share. The fish knows the secrets of the sea, but it never tells the eagle that flies above. One who cuts the rope of unity will find themselves tangled in solitude. Do not judge the dance of the wind. It carries wisdom, both seen and unseen. The shadow of a man tells no lies, but neither does it reveal the heart within. When the mountain speaks, even the river bends its course to listen. The drum that beats loudest is not always the one that leads the rhythm. A house built by many hands is stronger than one built by pride alone. A woman's wisdom is like the moon, sometimes hidden, but always The fire does not care whether it burns wood or stone, but its warmth depends on the fuel it is given. To walk far, one must learn to carry both the burden of strength and the gift of patience. A hunter without a story is like a bow without an arrow, incomplete and purposeless. The sky and the earth may never meet, but they always hold each other in balance. Wisdom is the fruit of a tree, watered by questions and pruned by answers. The ocean may roar loudly, but it is the still waters that hold the greatest secrets. A child's laughter is the strongest foundation for a village's future. The ant does not boast of its strength, yet it moves mountains of sand. A shared meal tastes sweeter than a feast eaten alone. A woman's heart is a river, deep, mysterious, and always moving. The ear that listens is wiser than the mouth that speaks. A day without teaching is a day without harvesting wisdom. The moon does not envy the sun, for both light the world in their time. A man who climbs alone will see the sky, but a man who climbs with others will touch the stars. A man with multiple sisters learns the art of patience, negotiation, and understanding. The whisper of the wind teaches more than the roar of thunder. Do not fear the storm. It clears the way for the seeds to grow. The tree does not ask the bird why it rests on its branch. It gives support without questions. A woman's kindness is like the rain. It softens even the hardest soil. A river divides a land, but unites its people. The eagle's shadow never falls where the mouse walks. Choose your paths wisely. The firefly carries its light, but it does not boast of its glow. A man's strength is tested not in battles, but in his ability to forgive. The sun sets only to rise again. So must we after each fall. A family is like a canoe. It moves forward only when paddled together. The rain falls on all, but only the prepared soil will bear fruit. The turtle walks slowly, but carries its home. Patience brings security. The sky does not ask permission to change its color, yet it inspires all who see it.